house is not a home, it needs some discipline. My mama house ain't really give me peace. I'm always wide awake, tryna fake a smile, but then I know that shit is snatched away. Haven't felt happy for a while, that shit's a mile away. Shit ain't being kind today, nobody is kind today. I cried a river when I saw my mama pass away. Shit ain't been the same, my mama's house is as cold as hell. Hate to be at home, and bro, sometimes I wish I died today. It's sickening, smoke until I'm numb to ease the stress away. Hate it when I'm sober, cause my liquor always numbs the pain. Smoke until I'm faded, if you're counting I smoke 10 today. Wish that God can hear me pray so hard and take my pain away. Yeah, they say home is where the heart is, but to me nangihlukumezekile, mine's invalid. I pray I make it out, I know my mama will be proud, and I'd buy my mom's a house somewhere. I'm tired of being about it, and I'm gone.
You know that I want you now. I wait for demons to disappear. You know that I want you now. You know that I want you now. I wait for demons to disappear. You know that I want you now.
Yeah. Okay, I'm grateful to be here, cause if I wasn't, I'd be dead. Somebody said, when the rents die, the family change. I never thought I'd live to witness mine going through that phase. I tell a story, if you're raised by pops, you won't relate. I had to lose people I love just to gain a certain thing. My family is a mess, my sis is living like a bee. All the bro don't speak to twin because he thinking he a snitch. My fame is pointed by Moses, how we splitting in between. You ever been so depressed and nobody really cares? Hunger strikes at midnight cause you haven't ate a thing. Had so many lonely nights, I was crying like a bitch. Pray to God like every night, but he ain't got no time for me. I'm in a bad place. I don't smile, I got a sad face. Hard to shine when all of your days are just great days. I don't know when was the last time I had a great day. Grateful for the moments, even though this shit pains me, I'm gone.